everyone, this is Valentina. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am so very excited to review the xBloom Studio coffee machine, which contains it all. So this coffee machine, not just for the coffee. This is an all-in-one functionality and allows you to brew coffee with their xPods or any other beans that you like. So yes, you can use the xPods that are made with a special recipe per each xPod. So every xPod comes with a card. You basically just scan the card on the top of the machine and the machine gets automatically the correct and right recipe that it belongs to this specific xPod. And then it's very easy. You just open the xPod, pour the beans into the grinder and put the cup from the xPod and use this one as the brewing cup and push the start button. That's it. And in just 3 minutes, you are gonna get a freshly brewed, delicious coffee. Moreover than that, while it is brewing the coffee, it is gonna give you this circulate motion. So the brewing is gonna get to all the coffee all around the cup. Moreover than that, it's also shaking. It's gonna shake the brewing cup while it is brewing the coffee, just to be sure that you've got it all from these beans. Now, you don't have to use the xPods. You can use your own coffee beans, and then you just basically switch between the attachments and you can brew your own coffee with your own favorite beans. You can also use this machine in many other scenarios like brewing tea, making instant noodles, grinding beans, waiting, scaling, and even mixing a baby formula. Now guys, I reviewed this xBloom coffee machine already in my Instagram. You're very welcome to check out my reels. I created an amazing gorgeous reel for this one that went really successful. I've got 600,000 views on this video of mine on Instagram, and it went so very successful that I've decided that I should film a YouTube review about this coffee machine because Instagram reels is limited to 60 seconds only, and here I have the opportunity to create a long, I love it long, you know guys, that's what she said, but yeah, I love long videos because I talk a lot and I repeat myself a lot. I know that's a problem, but this is who I am. What can I do about it? Nothing. Yes, I'm working really hard. Anyway, I'm gonna leave you the reels link down below at the description to this video of mine. By the way guys, all of the links, all the coupon codes, how to save some money off this coffee machine, everything gonna be down below at the description box as well. Yes, all the links, all the discount codes and coupon codes and everything you need to know. Description box down below to this video of mine. Yes, let's get started with the detailed review because I cannot wait to tell you everything in deep details about this xBloom Studio coffee machine. Let's get started. So very excited about this xBloom Studio coffee machine that can do it all. This is an ultimate machine for special coffee. It comes with everything inside. It comes with a grinder, brewer, and a scale. All that seamlessly integrated in one design, as well as it can provide you with just hot water for all type of needs. It can even make a baby bottle. This machine definitely brings so much magic to every brew of mine. And now guys, this one comes in 2 different colors, midnight black or moonlight white. I've got mine in white. And now this machine can do it all. First of all, they are having a very special designed xBloom pods. Every type of a pod that you can choose from. So now you have many different types of recipes with the xBloom Studio pods, which these are just the pods, and that's the coolest thing because they are all coming ready. So you just simply put the beans into the machine, into the grinder, and then it does it all for you. You basically scan the recipe card on the top of the machine, and that's so very cool about it. So yes, every pods are coming with a special recipe card. What you need to do is you are just scanning the card, pushing the start button, and the machine start making the magic happens. And it is all so very cool. I absolutely love it. Now to brew coffee, you can use this one with the pods that you need to buy separately, or you can absolutely use this one with a regular coffee of yours. You will need any type of a coffee beans, and then what you need to do, you just scan the general card, and once you're gonna scan the general card, it is gonna start the magic again, and it is gonna work. With your own beans, the machine is gonna do the same process of brewing, just with a different type of a cup. This machine also works with a smart application, so you can totally and fully control your machine through the smart application. You can brew from the smart application, and you can order more pods for the smart application as well. It comes with the intuitive UI, which means that it has 3 different multi-knob control, plus it has an LED matrix type of a display. So you will see everything on the screen, and each one of the 3 knobs are responsible for different duties. So it's a grinder, brewer, and scale. And this machine has 3 levels of automation: autopilot, copilot, and free solo. So the 3 levels of automation, let's start with the autopilot. The autopilot is when you are gonna scan the regular xBloom machine card that came with the machine, that came with the beans. And each card of the beans are having a special recipe that especially were designed for this specific type of a pods. With the autopilot mode, you are welcome to experience the ultimate convenience at the very one touch of a button, and you can enjoy a perfect cup of coffee every single time. This is an effortless elegance process in every single sip. So autopilot mode basically works with the pods that you are getting from xBloom. Next, the copilot mode. So for the copilot mode, you will need a different cups. So you take out the pods attachment and you are connecting the copilot type of attachment. And then you are taking any type of your favorite coffee beans. You just tailor your own recipe. You can definitely create your own recipes through the smart application, and you can control it all through the smart application as well. Things like grind size and way more stuff. So you are welcome to use the copilot mode to make your own type of recipe, to make your own coffee at the way that you like. For that, just simply add your favorite beans to the grinder and let it go. Hit the start button and enjoy. The machine will bring you your unique blend to life. And the last mode from the 3 is the free solo. So with the intuitive UI at your fingertips, you can elevate your coffee experience with the freedom to pour, brew, and savor one ritual at a time. Now a little bit about the xPods. So xBloom machine is dedicated to finding the best coffee roasters and recipes to bring them to their customers. And the idea is that you are getting a pack of xPods and then you are just basically use them. So one xPod is 1 cup of coffee and all the recipes are perfectly crafted. Every xPod pack comes with an electronic brew recipe card dialed by the roaster using an xBloom machine. The xBloom Studio machine is engineered to consistently execute recipes with a minimal margins of to any type of errors or any type of troubles. So the machine built in a very well way, and all that to ensure that each brew faithfully reproduces the intended flavor profile with reliability. As I told you before, guys, you can use this one not just an intelligent brewer, which this is it. And now a few words about being a brewer. This is an excellent brewer. It works on the way that the kinematic spout delivers a consistent directional flow onto the coffee bed. You can adjust it all. You can adjust the temperature, you can adjust the pouring patterns, the volume, and way more, all in real time. This one is not just works as a brewer, this one works as a high precision scale as well. This scale is accurate up to 0.1 grams and it's highly responsive. This scale is equipped with a high pressure solid liquid detection sensor. To scale anything, just simply put whatever on the tray, and the tray, by the way, that's what has the built-in scale, and the trays, by the way, and once again, is removable and dishwasher safe, so you're welcome to dishwash it if you feel like. And then this one can be used as a grinder alone as well. It comes with an 80 level grind size adjustment. The grinder auto zooms in any grind size. It can do it all from espresso up to cold brew with an ease and precision. It can also provide you with just hot water, so you can make anything with the hot water. You can make like instant noodles, or you can make a baby bottle as well. You can see through the smart application in a real time what's exactly is happening to the machine, the brewing process. You can use the visualization tool to pinpoint areas for improvement. This is allowing you to refine your coffee making skills with precision. It also has an intuitive recipe creation, so everyone is welcome to open their imagination and to be creative. It's gonna work amazing for all professionals and just simple home users like I am. Through the smart application, you can also redefine your coffee routines, and you can control the grinder, the brewer, and the scale by any way you want. Well, guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this video of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below at the comments. I am personally a huge fan of this machine. It is exchanged so many things in my kitchen, so I don't need a brewing machine anymore. I don't need a grinding machine anymore. I don't need the baby formula maker anymore because I was using it for hot water only. I can get it all from this one gorgeously looking xBloom Studio coffee machine. And I must add as well that I am obsessed with the design of this one. I got mine in white, and oh my god, this is the most like futuristic like type of a design. It's like from the future. Looks absolutely gorgeous, looks fantastic, and definitely adding so much prettiness, like so much beauty to my home decor, to my kitchen decor. Everyone who walks into my house, I swear you guys, asking me where did I got it from and what this is, because it looks so absolutely fantastic. Like, it looks so good. Well, yes, that was actually all for today, guys. I will highly recommend you to check xBloom Studio coffee machine out. I will leave you all of the links down below at the description box to this video of mine, as well as any other type of information like coupon codes, discounts, promotions. Any way to save some money of yours. Will be so very sure to check xBloom Studio machine out, as well as I'm gonna pin it all at the very first comment at the comment section down below to this video of mine. Well, guys, that was actually all for today. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. So, Valentine.